Wow, so many things to eat. I bought this book, 1,000 Things to Eat, to show my kids what we can eat and what we can have on a table. But the most part is we have it in a book. And here's the menu. Nice illustrators. Here's kind of different things what we can eat on breakfast, on home cake food, ways of cooking, and home baking, spices, noodles, bakery. Yes, then we have here different kind of foods and vegetables and herbs. What is this? Always ask my son me this. And then here's fish and meat. Yes, for sure, sweet has to be on the table too. And then what we can eat around the world. Italy, Mexican, Indian, Chinese, Japanese. Street food as well. Yes, and then what can we eat on the events what we have through the year? Christmas, Thanksgiving, Easter, Passover, and dessert and cakes. That's the index. If you like this video, please subscribe. See you next time.